Hey guys, Sean Masters here. Now we're gonna review psoas lowering. I'm sure you've all heard that your hip flexors are tight and you need to stretch them out. Well, maybe it's best to release those hip flexors by loading them. So we're gonna work on loading and lengthening simultaneously the psoas lowering. So you need with this one is if you have it at ankle weight. If you're new to this exercise, even try it without an ankle weight and increase the time under tension by going slow. So you're gonna lay on your back like this. So if you have the ankle weight wrapped around that left side, you're gonna bring your right knee to your chest. From here, while keeping, of course, that core nice and strong, you're gonna slowly lower that left heel down towards the floor. Just like this, here, and then come back up. Very slowly lower, 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 and come back up. Time the movement with the breath. Focus on exhaling on the way down. Just like that. Now, if you don't have an ankle weight, another alternative is using a kettlebell, and basically through the handle of that bell, just tuck your toes underneath and point your toes back to really anchor it to the foot. Give it a try, let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video.